Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to remove silence from audio in Audacity. There's two ways to do it. One is obviously the manual way, sorry about that, where you basically just zoom in, holding control and using your scroll wheel to zoom into this area right over here, and then click, your left click, drag it over here, release it, and then you have a selection, then hit delete on your keyboard. But let's say that's a lot of work and you don't want to do that through your entire audio. Hit Control A to select everything, hit Effect, then go up to Special, then Tourniquet Silence. This is where the magic happens. This is a threshold. It's at 40 dB right now. These are your dBs. So you can see where your voice goes and where you want it to cut off. What I'm basically telling it is once it hits 40 dB or lower, cut it off, remove it. And then I'm also telling it to last 1.01 seconds between the durations. And so you can copy mine if you'd like to, but keep in mind different mics, different voices, you might need different settings. But with that into consideration, go ahead and hit apply. And as you can see, all of the in-between gaps are removed. Then all you need to do is just drag everything alongside just like that. And there you have your audio. If this helped you out, consider subscribing.